Hello, welcome to TeenCoders. In this video, I want to show you simple ways to check for the specification of your laptop. Now let's get right to it. Number one, go to your desktop, locate my computer or this PC. I'm using a Windows 8, so right click and select open. So it will lead you to this part where you have devices and drives. You will see your hard disks. Sometimes it might be one or two, but in this case I'm using one hard disk. And the disk here is 464 gigabytes. Next is to check for the processor and the memory. So I still right click there and I click properties. So when it comes up under device specifications, you see your processor. This system is an Intel Core i5 and the processor speed is 2.90 gigahertz. Then the RAM is 8 gig. And the system type is a 64-bit system. Another easier, better and faster way to check on this is to go to your taskbar. Your taskbar is the bar on the lower part of your laptop that shows the different programs that are presently on. So go to an empty space, right click and select Task Manager. Now when the Task Manager comes up on most systems, you will see this more details. Click on more details and then click on performance. So the first thing you can check is your CPU. So this CPU is an Intel Core i5. The next thing you can check is your memory. So here you can see the memory of this system, that is an 8 gig RAM. It's a 8 gig DDR RAM. Then the third thing you can check is your disks. The number of disks will be listed here. For this system has just one disk. So if you come down here, the capacity of the disk is 512. Actually, it is showing 466 gigabytes. And the type is HDD. This is one of the reasons why this method is better, because here you can actually see if it's an SSD or a HDD hard disk that you have. So thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful. Remember to like and share.